Hello, and welcome to this week's MTV, where our word is diligent. In Proverbs 21:5, it says, "The plans of the diligent lead to plenty, but those of everyone who is hasty surely to poverty." As we bring this current year to a close, it's very important that we are diligent in our efforts in our business. The first area is to be diligent in working into the month of December. So often, if we stop working too early in the month of December, we end up not only losing valuable work time, but also valuable preparation time for the start of this new year. Remember, what I say to myself every year is that even schools do not let students out until usually between December 20th and December 22nd, that I should look to work my business as close to those dates as possible. Secondly, be diligent to prepare your January hostesses for the best possible show. This time frame between December 1st and probably December 15th is some of the most critical in preparing your January hostesses, not only to be ready, but also to have a great successful show. One of the best ways that you can prepare January hostesses is to be your very first hostess yourself. Make it a mystery hostess show where you're in control of inviting and reminding and collecting advanced orders. It'll be a great way for you to have a strong start to your new year. The third area where we can be diligent is to use your break, the break that you typically take from jewelry shows, which comes just before Christmas and lasting usually until just after the new year. Be diligent to prepare as you close out this current year and prepare for the next. For example, take care to organize your receipts, pull your old files, get them ready for storage, prepare new folders for the new hostesses that you have up and coming for the new year. Make sure that you've inventoried your supplies and you are ready to go for those shows in the new year. So be diligent to use your break wisely. Going back to Proverbs 21:5, the plans of the diligent lead to plenty. This is what I know. When I am diligent to not only close out my year successfully, prepare my hostesses for the start of the new year, and use my break wisely, then that surely does indeed lead to plenty, and it allows my business to continue to thrive into that new year. So I challenge you this week, be diligent in your business, and I look forward to seeing you back here for our next MTV.